Good day to everyone. So I'm going to be answering some questions about the Minecraft project. This is the info sheet right here. This should help you out. First thing, when does it due? May 20th. You can check SIS, you can check the classroom, you can check right here on the page, May 20th. All right. So we're just going to go through a couple of the steps here as we go through. You're going to be making an ecosystem using the blocks. All right. So you're going to be making your own little world from a flat world. All right, please don't use one of the pre-made biomes and try to pass it off. It's supposed to be creative. Make it a Florida ecosystem. All right, so you're picking one of the ecosystems from down here. Make sure it is a Florida ecosystem. I don't want to see pictures of fish that don't belong in Florida when you do the coral reefs. I don't want to hear things about the Great Coral Reef. When you're making your Minecraft world, you're making it as best you can out of the blocks. All right. If you see a species in Florida that you can't find in the game, just create it out of blocks. It doesn't have to move. It doesn't have to do anything, but you're going to be making things in Minecraft. So, if your Minecraft isn't working or you don't have the video game and you do have a computer, you can download the free Minecraft for Education edition right there. All right, gives you some easy things to work with. You can make a sign, make big signs, things like that. You sign in using your school information. So I think you click on, I think it says Office 365. You click on that, sign in using your school information. All right. So I'd appreciate it if you did it by yourself. The project is an independent thing. You can ask people for help when they're going through, but try to make the project yourself. So here's what we're doing. All right, create a world that resembles one of the habitats you picked. All right, if you're doing coral reef, you're trying to make a coral reef. If you're doing pinelands, make a bunch of pine trees. All right, try to make it look like a picture that you would see if you went to those locations in Florida. All right, you're going to add 5 unique landforms and label them. You can use signs, you can put big blocks, however you want. This can include trees and plants. All right, so you have pine, like pinelands, you're going to have a lot of slash pines, loblolly pines, things like that. All right, then you're going to create and describe 4 species native to your habitat. Is it a Florida panther? Is it, mangroves? Whatever it is, you need to include a producer and a consumer. So make sure that when you're doing this, you have what they are, label them, put up signs, make it clear. All right, include the citations where you get the information from. And if you could add a picture, that'd be great. All right, then you're going to make a 4-organism food web. You can just put them all right next to each other. You can make the animals out of blocks. You can label them if you're not great at making them look good. Make sure you add the arrows for how they eat or how they are eaten. Okay, remember arrows go to the things that are being eaten. Then you're going to pick 2 species and how the 2 species interactions. Okay, so 2 examples: mutualism, example parasitism, something in your habitat. Right, so you can make a picture of this again. You can recreate it. Be creative. The whole point of this Minecraft project is to be creative at home. All right. Then finally, identify 2 human impacts and build a model of those human impacts. Is it oil spills? Is it, sea level rise? What is it going to be? Try to replicate it and try to add a solution to that problem. Okay, so here are the habitats you need to choose from. Many of you already chosen on the form. If you want to re-choose, go ahead, but make sure you're doing it on the form so I know what I'm looking at. Okay, here's how you're going to be graded. You can look here, the information. You do need to include your sources. They can be screenshots of the website that you got the information from, or it could be the website written out in blocks, put it on a sign. I don't care. I just need to know where you got the information from. All right. So how big does it have to be? And it can be as big. I mean, ideally, you make it a big one, have fun with it. Make it big enough so not everything's stacked on top of each other. It doesn't have to be the size of a gigantic, world. No. If you want to change to go to the slides, you can. If you want to change, if everybody wants to do Minecraft, they can sign up and change. Okay, make sure you're telling me what you're doing because I have to give you the correct forms. All right. Now, turning it in. Let's say you want to turn in your project If you have the world and you're using Windows, Microsoft Minecraft Education Edition, you can send me the world. You can screenshot a bunch of stuff if you're playing on games like Switch or Xbox, PlayStation. What you need to do is you need to show me these things. You can put them all on a slide deck. You can do a video of you doing it and send it to me. However it is, be creative. All right, use your mind. Try to come up with the best way you think for showing me. If you're really having problems, go ahead and switch to the slides. All right, you'll be able to use a lot of the same information. Okay, if you have any other questions, feel free to email me. All right, and I'll be happy to help. This is, again, given to you. You can be able to look at this. You can make a copy of it if you want. These are the dates where you should be, hopefully. All right, so you hopefully should be making your world and your habitat by the April 22nd. All right, I hope you have a good one. Talk to you later.